Hey guys, I'm Drew Scott. Spending money where it counts is so important, especially when you're looking to sell your house. And if you want to know where to spend that money, stay tuned. This is Setting the Stage. Eric from Sacramento sent a picture of his man cave. Now Eric, I like this bonus space for you, but the problem is it looks extremely dated. But just because it's a basement doesn't mean it should feel like a basement. Eric, you're not the only person with this issue. I know a lot of houses out there that need to spend the money more wisely. In fact, I found one listing I'm gonna show you right now. As you walk into this house, it actually looks pretty great. New hardwood floors throughout. The ultimate staging, look at this. I wonder if they actually know I was coming. I didn't think so. But the problem with this place is they're spot renovating. And what that means is that they're doing some renovations, but not everything. It's not saying you have to blow your budget and spend tons of money to make over everything in the house, but you want everything to flow nicely. You don't want it to look choppy. And you can see the hardwood floors are in the main area, the dining room, and then this back living area, but they're not here in the kitchen. It should have just flowed all the way through. This kitchen is the epitome of spot renovating. You don't want to just do new countertops, but change nothing else. The shaker cabinets, they need to be painted out. You have old appliances, you could have put stainless steel. Fluorescent light, which is terrible in a house, never use fluorescent lights, that would have cost you less than $200 to swap that out. Let's head upstairs. This house has 4 bedrooms on the upper level, 2 bathrooms. They carried that same dark hardwood up into the hall area upstairs, but every bedroom has this carpet. The unfortunate thing is most buyers nowadays, they don't want carpet. They like having flowing floors through the whole space. I can actually see it's missing a transition here as well. So yeah, you can see right underneath the carpet. Yeah, I'm not sure why they would have spent the money on that carpet in every single bedroom when they could have spent that money possibly doing the vanities. It's clean. I'm not saying this house is bad. It actually doesn't look bad. They've staged it well, but there's some choices that they've made where they have renovated and other areas they didn't renovate. But this house does have a massive basement, but it is unfinished. This is a neighborhood though where this basement being finished would add a lot of value and people would pay more for it. You could create a theater room, you could create a bonus bedroom over here. You would need larger windows, but there's a lot you could do with this space. My advice would be make sure every room has a feature, and that can be something simple. It could be decor, it could be a light fixture, it could be flooring, it could be an island, but every room should have at least one feature. Right now, this basement looks like a place for a washer dryer, maybe some boxes, but it doesn't look like a place you can enjoy with your friends. But here's a virtual makeover of what you could do with this space. Built-in shelves, recessed lights, a lighter color on the walls, and lots of seating so you can enjoy movie nights. This now makes the basement area a beautiful space you can enjoy with your friends. Transforming a basement like this could cost $20, $30, even $50,000. It just depends on the finishes that you use. But have a contractor come in and quote the work for you, and then you can make a decision from there. Just because it's in the basement doesn't mean it has to feel like a basement. Lighter colors on the walls, recessed lights. You can also have some beautiful decor pieces throughout. Lots of storage is important. That makes it feel more fresh, open, and inviting for friends and family to join you down there.